Most drivers waste hundreds, sometimes thousands, on repairs they don't even need and extra fuel they didn't have to burn. Today, that stops. I'm pulling back the curtain on 19 pro secrets hiding in plain sight in your car, stuff most dealers and mechanics hope you never discover. And whatever you do, don't skip ahead, because one of these could literally save your life if your car ever ends up underwater. Let's dive in with the easy money savers that most people completely overlook. Number 19, the $150 check engine panic. That little glowing check engine light hits and panic sets in. You picture a nightmare repair bill, maybe a new catalytic converter or worse. So you rush to the shop, drop $150 on a diagnostic, and often walk out with unnecessary work. Here, what the pros know, the most common trigger isn't some major mechanical failure. It's usually a loose or faulty gas cap. Your car constantly runs pressure tests on the EVAP system. A bad seal or cracked O-ring breaks that pressure and throws the code. Before you hand over your card, twist the cap until it clicks 3 times. If the rubber seal looks worn, grab a new one for under $5 at any parts store. This 2-second fix clears the light more often than you believe and saves you from paying the idiot tax at the dealership. Stop letting a cheap piece of plastic steal your cash. Number 18, pumping from the wrong side. You pull into a gas station, especially in a rental, and realize the pump is on the opposite side. Stretching the hose across the car looks sloppy and risks scratching your paint or stressing fuel lines. One clumsy maneuver and you're looking at avoidable damage. Here's the trick you'll use forever. Glance at the fuel gauge on your dashboard. Next to that little gas pump icon, you'll see a tiny arrow. It points exactly to the side where your filler cap lives. Driver's side or passenger side, no more guessing, no more awkward 3-point turns. This tiny detail has been standard on nearly every modern vehicle for decades. Number 17, ignoring the orange horseshoe warning. That orange horseshoe light isn't just a reminder, it's your car screaming that you're burning extra fuel every single mile. Most drivers ignore it until they get a flat, but the real killer is low pressure, not zero pressure. Just 5 or 6 silo increases rolling resistance dramatically. Your engine works harder, fuel economy drops up to 3% or more, and over a year that adds up to real money at the pump. Worse, underinflated tires run hotter, wear faster, and can fail prematurely, turning an $800 set into an early replacement. Grab a quality gauge, top them up at the air pump, and keep that warning light off. Your wallet and your tires will thank you. Number 16, treating a dead fob like a dead car. The dash flashes, no key detected, and many people immediately reach for their phone to call a tow, another $200 mistake. Here, what dealers rarely tell you, your key fob has 2 separate systems. The battery-powered remote is for locking and unlocking, but there's also a passive RFID chip that needs 0 power. Hold the fob right against the start button or find the hidden slot in the center console or glove box. The car's antenna will energize the chip and let you start the engine. No battery, no tow truck, no problem. Number 15, ignoring the mirror heat switch. Wiping foggy mirrors with your sleeve just smears them and kills visibility. A quick blind spot lapse can total your car and jack up insurance for years. Most modern vehicles have heated mirrors built in, you just have to know where to look. Check your side mirror adjustment knob. Rotate it all the way to the defrost or heat symbol. A grid of heating elements clears condensation and melts ice in seconds. Don't risk a fender bender because you're squinting through fog, use the factory tech that's already there. Number 14, disobeying the blind spotlight. Merging at the wrong moment can cost thousands in bodywork and skyrocket your premiums. Even with perfect mirror checks, every car has blind zones. Blind spot monitoring uses radar to watch those areas. When that light on the mirror lights up, trust it, there's something there. Many systems even alert you with beeps or steering wheel vibrations if you signal while the zone is occupied. Treat that glowing warning like gospel and you'll avoid wrecks that could have been prevented. Number 13, touching your phone while driving. Grabbing your phone for GPS or music is a fast track to tickets and higher insurance. But Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are far more powerful than most drivers realize. They mirror your maps and apps straight to the big dashboard screen, block distracting notifications, and let you control everything with voice commands or steering wheel buttons. Keep your eyes forward and hands on the wheel. It's the smartest way to stay legal and avoid distracted driving citations that hit your wallet hard. Number 12, fighting the door underwater. This is the one that could save your life. If your car goes into deep water, your first instinct is to force the door open. Don't. Water pressure pins it shut. You'll waste precious seconds and oxygen fighting physics. Instead, get out through the windows while you still can. Power windows often fail once water hits the electronics, so remove the headrest. Those metal posts are strong enough to shatter tempered side glass. Aim for the corner of the window or the edge near the door frame, not the center, and use leverage to break it. If the windows won't break and you're trapped, wait for the cabin to fill so pressure equalizes. Take a deep breath and push the door open. Stay calm, act fast, and live to tell the story. Number 11. Ignoring the conversation mirrors. Taking your eyes off the road for even 2 seconds at highway speed means you've traveled the length of a football field blind. That's how family vehicles end up totaled. Look near your overhead sunglasses holder. Many cars have a conversation mirror. Flip it down and you get a wide-angle panoramic view of the back seats. Monitor kids, settle arguments, check on a baby, all without turning your head or losing your lane position. It's simple, effective, and keeps everyone safer. Number 10. Leaving valuables where thieves shop. A smashed window is expensive before you even count what's stolen. Thieves target what they can see. Most SUVs and trucks have hidden storage compartments under seat cushions, false floors, or behind panels like the climate controls in some Land Rovers. Stash laptops, wallets, and emergency cash in these ghost spots and you remove the temptation. Out of sight, out of mind, and your car stays intact. Number 9. Overcorrecting like a rookie. When tires lose grip, the natural reaction is to yank the wheel hard the other way. That snap overcorrection often leads to spinouts or rollovers. Electronic stability control, mandatory since 2012, is your silent guardian. Sensors monitor steering and wheel speed dozens of times per second. The moment it detects trouble, it selectively brakes individual wheels to bring the car back in line. Think of it as an invisible hand keeping you on the road and preventing expensive insurance claims. Number 8. Driving long trips on dumb cruise. Regular cruise control makes you constantly brake and reset, draining your attention. Adaptive cruise control is a game changer. Radar locks onto the vehicle ahead and automatically adjusts speed, even in stop-and-go traffic, without you touching the pedals. You stay fresher on long drives, reduce fatigue-related mistakes, and avoid the kind of highway incidents that lead to massive repair bills and medical costs. Number 7. Staring at the road into hypnosis. After hours on the highway, your brain can lose depth perception. That distant car starts looking stationary and suddenly you're closing in too fast. Fight highway hypnosis by shifting your gaze to distant objects on the horizon instead of the blur of lane lines. This motion parallax technique resets your internal sense of speed and gives you precious extra reaction time, the difference between a smooth stop and a disaster. Number 6. Wearing seatbelt the wrong way. A seatbelt isn't just a strap, it's a sophisticated system with pyrotechnic pretensioners and force limiters. In a crash, sensors fire a small charge that instantly tightens the belt, pulling you into the optimal position before airbags deploy. Then force limiters allow controlled slack so the belt doesn't crush your ribs or cause internal injuries. Understanding how it works helps you wear it correctly every single time, high and tight across the hips and chest. Number 5. Burning your clutch in slow traffic. Manual drivers often ride the clutch in stop-and-go situations, creating unnecessary heat and wear. Many modern manuals have anti-stall logic that automatically gives a little throttle bump to prevent stalling as you release the clutch. Trust the system. Smooth, deliberate inputs instead of rev matching every crawl will dramatically extend clutch life and save you from a costly replacement. Number 4. Ignoring the recirculation butt. In blazing summer heat, most people keep pulling in hot outside air, making the AC work overtime. That hurts fuel economy by up to 25% and shortens compressor life. Hit the recirculation button, the one with the U-turn arrow, once the cabin cools. It reuses the already chilled air, lets the compressor rest, saves gas, and blocks pollen and odors. Just remember to switch back to fresh air in winter to prevent fogging. Number 3. Letting a dead battery trap your shifter. A dead battery on an automatic can lock the shifter in park because the solenoid stays engaged. Trying to force it or towing while locked can destroy the transmission. Look for the small cover or tab near the shifter. Pop it off and press the manual release button underneath. Now you can shift to neutral with no power, safe to push or tow without wrecking expensive internals. Number 2. The Death Grip Steering Lock. Engine stalls at speed and the steering suddenly feels rock hard. Never turn the key all the way off while moving. That engages the steering column lock and you become a passenger in a runaway missile. Keep the key in the on position so the column stays free. Yes, steering will be heavy without power assist, but it still works. Combine it with the shift lock release from number 3 and you can coast safely to the shoulder. Number 1. The Cold Fuel Density Secret. Filling up in the heat of the afternoon means you're paying for expanded, less dense gasoline, essentially buying air. Fuel is densest when it's cold. Refuel early morning or late evening when underground tanks keep the gas at its most compact. You get more energy per gallon. It's a small edge per tank, but over years it adds up to serious savings. Now you know how to survive a steering lock, a submerged car, and a dead battery shifter. But the real money is made by preventing problems before they start. Mechanics sometimes skip hidden maintenance to keep you coming back later. Click here for the car maintenance secrets most shops don't want you to know, including one $10 fix that can stop a $5,000 failure cold. Drop a comment with the biggest money waster you've ever avoided, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.